During battle between Rama and Ravana, Mahiravana, the stepbrother of Ravana, kidnaps Rama and Lakshmana and takes them to Patalaloka through a tunnel. Patalaloka is described to be exactly below earth and one has to go 70,000 yojanas deeper in earth to reach there. Mexico and Brazil are exactly below India and one has to dig a hole of that distance to travel vertically. There are few such tunnels which are said to be leading to Patalaloka. The Patalkot Valley in the Chindwara district of Madhya Pradesh, India is one among them. Ravana's son Indrajit is killed by Lakshmana. Ravana calls his brother Mahiravana for help. Mahiravana, the king of Patala, promises to help. Vibhishana somehow manages to hear about the plot and warns Rama about it. Hanuman is put on guard and told not to let anyone into the room where Rama and Lakshmana are. Mahiravana makes many attempts at entering the room, but all of them are thwarted by Hanuman. Finally, Mahiravana takes the form of Vibhishana and Hanuman lets him enter. Mahiravana quickly enters and takes the sleeping Rama and Lakshmana through one such tunnel to his kingdom, which is on opposite side of earth to India, Sri Lanka. Realizing the kidnap, Hanuman is warned by Vibhishana that if Rama and Lakshmana aren't rescued immediately, Mahiravana and his brother Ahiravana will sacrifice their heads to goddess Chandi. Hanuman goes to Patala through same tunnel as Mahiravana and finds the entrance of Patala kingdom guarded by a creature who is half Vanara and half reptile. Hanuman asks who he is and the creature says, "I am Makardhwaja, Hanuman's son." Hanuman is confused since he did not have any child and practiced celibacy throughout life. He decides to kill Makardhwaja for lying, but Suvarchala, a mermaid, comes up and stops him. She explains that while Hanuman took a dip in the waters of sea after burning whole of Lanka with the fire burning on his tail, a drop of his perspiration fell into mouth of a mighty reptile who was Suvarchala. Out of her, the Makardhwaja was born. Mahiravana's men brought him to their kingdom and made him their security god. Makardhwaja asked him for his blessings. However, he said to Hanuman that he will have to fight him to enter Patala as he cannot betray Ahiravana, his mentor. Hanuman defeats Makardhwaja in a duel and binds him to proceed further to ultimately kill Mahiravana and rescue Rama and Lakshmana. Hanuman takes the form of Panchamukhi to kill Mahiravana as he had to extinguish 5 lamps burning in 5 different directions at the same time. So he has taken the Panchamukha form with Hanuma, Haigriva, Narasimha, Garuda and Varaha faces and extinguished the lamps and killed Mahiravana. Later on, upon Rama's advice, he installed Makardhwaja as king of Patala before returning to Lanka to continue war with Ravana. Makardhwaja is being worshipped as god since then in South and Central America. Central America is supposed to be the lost city of the monkey god, where legend says that local people worshipped huge monkey sculptures. Theodore Moth, an American adventurer, claimed that sacrifices were made by local Indians to a gigantic idol of an ape. The movie Apocalypto shows tribes of America offering sacrifices of humans. After King Mahabali settled in America, his men continued the demonic sacrifices and few other practices. The discovery of 5,000 years old Havan Kund in Peru is one such example. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for latest updates.